Michael was last seen near his home a week ago, Tuesday night. There has been no Amber Alert issued for 5-year-old Michael. It's because there are criteria points that has to fall into effect before an actual Amber Alert can be issued in a missing child's case. However, on Tuesday night, law enforcement in Payette County did issue an endangered missing person alert for 5-year-old Michael. The difference between an endangered missing person alert and an Amber Alert: if something comes outside the criteria that we're not able to issue an Amber Alert, we do an endangered missing person alert. The criteria to issue an Amber Alert must include: a child is known by law enforcement officials to have been abducted. The abduction occurred within 12 hours of initial activation of the Amber Alert. The child is under 17 years of age. Law enforcement must believe the child is in imminent danger of serious harm or death. There must be enough descriptive information that an Amber Alert will assist in the recovery of the child, and it must include as much of the following information as possible. The missing child must be entered into the NCIC. The Endangered Missing Person Alert that was used for Michael has almost the same tools as an Amber Alert. Notifications are sent through email, text messages, social media posts, and the alerting program. Code Red. Amber Alerts use road signs and send phone alerts to provide suspect and vehicle description. And according to the Payette County Sheriff's Office, the county issued a Code Red to residents in the Hidden Meadow subdivision in Fruitland at 8:18 p.m. on Tuesday. It was later expanded across the whole county by 9:40 p.m.